Yeah, what's up guys? Today I want to show you how to interpolate data. So we're going to be using software 3D. So you open your software, you go to new plot. So you add your grid data. You going to select grid, then you browse your data where your data is. So when you specify your XYZ and press next, you notice that I choose grid there and next. And this is just showing us how our data is. Then you can see it is showing how the plot is, all the points that is in the job. So press next. So here we are going to specify the interval that we want on our x and y axis. On our x axis now we want 10-meter interval. On our y axis we also want 10-meter interval. So we're going to specify that. After that we go to next, and it's going to generate a grid reports for us. So we're going to cancel the grid report because we don't need that. So now we head to the grid tab. So we press the grid tab, then we go to convert. Then from there we select the generated file. Then we open. Now I'm going to specify the format I want the data. I'm going to be using DAT XYZ. So that's the format we're going to be using. I'm going to leave the name as that, then save. So now press OK. So now I'm going to go head over to my file. I'll open the previous data. Let me enlarge it. So we have our X, we have our Y, we have our Z, and also our codes and name. You can see we have 199 points here. 199 points. I'm just going to tag it here as neutral. So let me open the data we generated, the DAT file. So I'll just head over to my instance. Now I'm going to change this to all files so that you can display the data I generated, and use it out.dat. Open. Now I'm going to specify a delimited next space, yes, space. So you can see divide it into columns, then next, then here I'll leave it as general. So you can specify any type you want, then finish. So you can see we have our XYZ data now. Now let's see how many points that we are able to generate. So you can see here we have been able to generate 324 points. We have been able to get 324 points from our previous 199 points. We are able to interpolate and get 324 points. So we have been able to generate 324 points. So with this now we can easily go to AutoCAD and just import it as portraits with the actual name. So you can see our formal the interval is not regular, and the new generated one, you can see how the interval is very regular. 1 2 3, and then our x is regular. Our y, you have to do one row before you move to the next row. So we have the first row 2 2 2 2 2, then the next row 3 3 3, then the next row 4 4 4, then the next row 5 5 5, because they are in 10-meter interval. So that's it. If you want more content like this, like, subscribe, share to people that I think need something like this. Share to them. The other things we can do is we can insert a new row at the top, then give it a name, Eastern. Then Northern. Then also give it elevation, and you can save as Excel, any format you want. So I'm going to change this from text to Excel workbook and give it a name. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So now let's look at where we started and where we are now. So this is our new data. This is our previous data. On our previous data, we have the name, the code, the easting, and the nothing. The new data, we have our easting, nothing, and then elevation. So that's how to successfully interpolate and export your data on software, so that you can import in other apps to use. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.